Hey guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co.
Today we are actually putting together finally our kids' garden bed. So my son Drake is here to help with it. We are actually putting together, we got this at Walmart last year, ironically, wasn't it?
Yep.
They run about $55. It's a elevated raised garden bed, and it comes with a chalkboard, which is awesome, chalk as well. So it's a great way to get kids into gardening. But last year just got away from us because, you know, the actual Canadian wildfires and everything, the air quality just was a weird year for gardening. So this year planning to do a lot more, and he's going to help me put this together. So let's get this bad boy opened up and we'll show you what it is and show you how we put it together. All right, we're getting this opened up here. So we open it from the outside here. Go ahead and see what you can pull out. It says it's quick and easy setup for beginners or expert gardeners. So I'm not sure what tools we'll need just yet. So I guess we'll find out. All right, that looks like it's everything.
Well, this is the toolbox.
Oh, it says tool right on it. All right. What tool is it they're going to give us? Let's start there. Make sure. All right, so we've got our instructions here. Assembly instructions. Interesting. Okay, cool. And then what else is in the box there? All right, so we've got blue, green, pink, and purple chalk. How cool is that? All right, set that aside because we obviously don't need that this second.
Screws.
All right, we've got 2
More screws.
Phillips head black screws, and the rest of these are Phillips head silver screws.
Oh, and a little gardening thing.
Oh, so this looks like it'll probably be, we'll have to read the instructions, but I'm guessing this is the mesh. Oh, it's the inside mesh for the box itself. So that'll...
Can be a self-irrigating box.
Yeah, that'll actually come in handy for when we do the self-irrigation. The instructions say that we start here by fix panels A and B with screws number 1. Screw number 1 is the gold screws, the bag's labeled for that. So, so we're doing panels A and B is what we're looking for here, buddy. Wow, that's nice. I like the color.
This is B.
Okay. I like the color. I like...
This is also B.
The inside smells like pine. That's really cool. I like that color. I don't know if it's picking up very well on camera, but lots of trash to clean up. Okay, so 2 B's, and I'm guessing these ones here are A's. No, that's a middle. That's a F. Oh, how cool is that? Look at... Don't worry about that. Look at this cool design that they've drawn on here. Definitely really cool, neat for kids, but I don't know, I'm geeking out too. Look at this. It's just like painted on there, and then it's they got expert gardener imprinted. This is A1. That's really cool. And then we got E. Now this might be cedar. I said it smells like pine, but it might be cedar. I'll have to look and see if it says what these are actually made with. And there's our chalkboard piece, I think.
Yeah, that's our chalkboard piece.
And that chalkboard piece must be our other A.
Alright.
I wish they had the designs on there, but that's okay. Alright, so we got our screw holes here. Looks like it's pretty simple concept. So we've got our piece A, piece B, and it looks like this forms a U shape here. The U shape is going to go on the bottom, and we just set it against it with the screw holes facing on the outside, and then I want it to be flush with the top here, Drake. So go ahead and get yourself a screw from bag number one. Here's your screw gun. Okay. All right, you're not going in square. You gotta keep yourself square on the gun. Here, this goes like this. Got it? Go. Hey, go square on the gun. Okay. Lift up a little. You're on an angle. There you go. Okay, back it out.
All right.
Keep going, a little bit. All right, that's good. Now go back in. All right. Okay. So you went in a little crooked, and that's why you had such a hard time with that. Try to go in more straight the next time. Okay, grab them. All right, so now we want the bottom screw. Let's get the bottom screw in. So the holes are pre-drilled on the front, but they're not pre-drilled into this back. So you're actually putting the screw in. No, you're good. Keep going.
No.
Doesn't matter. You gotta push on it a little bit. There you go.
There you go.
Great job, buddy. All right, so now we're gonna take our other side. It's also got holes pre-drilled on it. Same concept. That part's gonna sit on the outside here. Nope, you're gonna come around this side. So come around this side with two screws. I'm gonna try to hold it flush as you screw it in. Good job. All right, grab the next screw. Good job. All right, perfect. So we've got our 4 screws in on that side. Time to put our other side on, it looks like. Go ahead. Okay. All right, let's get this side in. So it's a relatively small footprint, definitely. You're not going to be able to grow very much in here, but a great little starter set to get kids started. So. All right, last screw for this part. Sand in your eye.
On my face.
You gotta be careful, make sure those are square. Okay, so now that we have this piece put together here, we actually are going to move on to the legs. Step 2 is to fix the legs C to the frame. We're still using the gold screws there. So we need the legs. It looks like we need to flip this upside down here. Oh, all right. There you go. So it looks like we've got 2 step outs here, this one and this one. This is the bottom, that's the middle. Looks like that'll just slide right over top for that corner piece there. Looks like we've got 2 screw holes on this side. Do we have any on that side, Drake?
Yeah, but it's directly in line with the hole.
Okay, so we got a screw hole. So we got 4 screws that'll go in this, and it looks like. So you're saying it's in line with the existing screws already?
Yeah, at least one of them.
Well, I'm sure that'll work around it or something. We'll figure that out here. All right, so go ahead and start with this top one then, since you.
Alright.
I'll hold it in place while you're doing it. So when you have it like this, you're going like this. You're bending the gun out. You got to stay nice and square on that screw. Not like this, not like that. You got to stay straight on it, okay? And you don't have to go fast. See that? It's not going to strip out like that. You just stay nice and square. Well, you also got to push in on it while you're going. You can't pull back when the screw goes in. You got to follow it in. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. You're doing a good job. Okay. Grab your next leg. Be best to lay some cardboard underneath this if you have it, so you don't scratch up your paint finish. But it's okay either way. Okay. Believe it or not, we're almost done. Get that last screw in there, and we have 3 more parts. 4 more parts. So, great job getting all those legs on and the sides put together, Drake. Let's go ahead and flip this thing over. Pick up your side there. And so now we're going to take our support brace there. Looks like letter D. And we're going to... That's the actual thing. We're going to set it. There's 2 grooves inside here. Yes, we're using number 1 screws from the outside, it would appear.
Yep.
And we're going to pop one in on each side to tighten up that brace, that cross brace. Okay. All right, so now that we have that piece in there, we actually need those letters E and F that we set aside earlier. E is going to go towards the floral design side, and you can see here that we've got these notches in the wood. Those notches in the wood are going to go where our posts are here. So we're going to take and set.
There are huge holes in F.
That's okay. That's so we can get it back out if we ever needed to take it apart, I'm sure. So we're going to go ahead and set E over that way, and F, you're going to put the notches towards the notches. Yep, there you go. So, yep, that's to help you position it in. And so there we have it. Now we've got our raised bed actually made, except for they give you a weed barrier or a weed cloth to put your soil in. So you just kind of set this in here like this. And then you would start filling up your soil. Pretty cool. They don't give you anything to tack the liner up. You would just do it that way. So let's see how tall this actually is finished here, Drake. How tall is this kid's bed? So
about 11, almost 2 feet. Well, nope, I think it's exactly 2 feet high.
2 feet high. Okay, good height for a kid. How long is it?
30 inches.
30 inches long. What's the inside measurement of the length? Go. How many inches is it?
27.
So 27 inches long on the inside. And how deep is it, or how wide is it?
Deep is 8 inches.
8 inches deep of soil, okay. And how wide is it? on the inside. 15 inches?
15 inches.
Okay. So we got 18 by 15 by 8 inches deep. Not a bad little raised bed. So, very cool.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are actually going to turn this into a self-wicking garden bed, so if you'd like to see that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for when that comes out. Stay safe and enjoy your gardens.